Okay, so we've got the other end of the electrodes. You place one in each tray. Obviously, these ones are colour coded, but some electrodes aren't because it's not really that important as long as the other side of the machine is correct. I'll put red in red, black in black. In the hospitals, you get plastic distance grids. These are just easier to clean, so that's what we use for professional environments such as hospitals. You place those in the trays. This is warm tap water we've got in these trays, nothing else. Then the last step is for the patient to enter the water baths. What you should see is the dive light illuminate, and then you'll see the cone will stop flashing, the power drop to 12, and then it will increase. Okay, so your dive light's on, power's dropped to 0 as we expected, and it's coming up now, it's powering up to 12 volts. Okay, once you reach 12 volts, obviously speak to the patient and ascertain that they're comfortable with that. But if they are, you want to start building the power up to the maximum comfortable level. While you're under load, the voltage moves in quarter volt increments, so you have to press it a couple of times to make it move. That's so it gives you a really refined adjustment on the power. So I'm going to bring this up quite quick because I know that I can tolerate quite high powers. So for the feet, there isn't a set level you need to get to. As I said, it's patient specific, so you need to get to the maximum comfortable level that patient can tolerate. Let's just say it was 24 volts for example. Then you leave them then for 20 minutes. They keep their feet in the trays, current's flowing, the dive light's illuminated, and everything's fine. The machine will automatically count down, and at the end of the 20-minute session, it will power down to 0, and you'll see the word end on the display, and that indicates that the treatment's over, and the patient can then carry on about their day and leave. The Hidrex has several safety features that other machines don't have. The most important and the most useful, I suppose, is the fact that you can take your feet in and out of the water without getting static shock. And what it does is, the immersion monitoring system senses that the circuit's broken, it dissipates the current and pauses the treatment. So if your patient needs to remove their feet or hands, whatever area it is you're treating, it won't add to the treatment cycle, it will only give them the 20-minute dosage, and it will automatically remember your last setting, so it will come back up to the 23 or 24 volts that I just had. So that's quite a good, useful feature of this machine. Yeah, and as I said, after the treatment's done, literally the machine will power down, the word end will display. That's it, you can disconnect from the machine.